Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the dot walking. What is dot walking? Dot walking allows script to access to fields and field values of related. As we know, in our NeedIt table, we have a requested for field, which is reference to user table. So all the reference fields on a table will store the sysID of a reference record. The sysID of a reference record. If you look at this diagram that we have here, in the NeedIt table we have a requested for and it is storing the sysID of. If there is any requirement wherein for this particular record, for this particular user, you would like to access the user's user ID, user's email address or user's location. These are all the fields that are available on this record in sysuser table. This will not be directly stored in the NeedIt table, but there is information on sysuser, and through the requested for we are having a relationship with that particular record. But in our scripting, if we want to access to the referenced field columns, how do we do it? So that's where the dot walking will be helpful for us. Dot walking will be helpful for us. What will be the syntax for the dot walking? The syntax will be the object that you have fetched the information from there and the related object. In the related object, the column name or the field name. So it has three parts. The object where you fetch the data. From there, the related object name, that is a field name. From there, the field name of that particular column in that table. So, for example, if we have the information on current, the current is NeedIt application. From there, requested from this record, which column you wanted from the email. Let's go here, use the background script to do some of the dot walking. I'm going to write glide record query to fetch the task, the NeedIt task. From there, I would like to get the email address of the referenced user. Let's do this. First, let's initiate a glide record object. And the table name of NeedIt application. Copy this. And add query. Number is, I'm trying to get only a particular record of the number is this. Task ends with 110. Then I'm good. I'm going to hit this query in database and I'll have the result set. I'll have the results set on the object that I've created. From here, I'm going to log information of requested for email and requested for user ID, gs.info, requested for first name, gs.info, requested for last name. So these are the things that I'm going to print out or log this information. So as we said, what is the syntax that we discussed? How we can get the related records column values? We have to use the dot walking. For the dot walking, what is the syntax? The object. Which object we have the data? This is an object. From here, which is the referenced field? That is, let's go here. This is the requested for. Reference object here is referenced for. From here, which fields information of this reference record you need? Let's open this requested for record in new page. From here, I'm trying to get the email. What is the column name? Back in the column name, email. Let's go here, email. And I'm also trying to get user ID. The user ID will be this username. I'm also trying to get the first name of the requested for. And from here, let's go here and get the last name as well. Last name as well. Okay, let's do this. Is it working or not? Copy this dot work So this for the email of the requested for by using the dot walking. This is for username and this is for first name and this is for the last name. Okay, let's run this script. Okay, there is a spell mistake. Yes, if you look at it here, we got the requested for email, requested for user ID, and requested for first name Fred and last name Lou. Is that correct? Let's go here. The email is this is fine, Fred is fine, Ludi is fine, Fred Lou. So this is a useful for us to get the reference fields, reference object to values of the column names by using the dot walking. Thanks for watching.